My name's Ben, I'm a production manager here at B.M.B Industrial Cabs. We design, manufacture and install weatherproof driver protection on forklift trucks. We had an old machine by competitors within the market. We were looking to upgrade that. We looked around for a while. We went and visited Kutavar in their facility in Hereford, and it was fantastic what we came across. They cut some samples for us and they were fantastic. The quality of the cut was brilliant. In particular, the build quality of the tables the Kutavar were offering was fantastic, superior to some of the others within the market. We cut thin material gauges really, from 16 gauge up to 5mm, primarily around about the 3mm range. This machine gets put through its paces. It cuts a lot of steel all day, 5 days a week. It's really busy, so we're not cutting the really heavy, thick gauge stuff, but it is being run consistently and it's stood up to the test. Guys came down, done a day's training with us on the software. I think we had 2 or 3 training at that time, and it was picked up within half a day. It was really user-friendly. The interface is nice and friendly to the eye. After-sales service, it's head and shoulders above any of the other competitors. How quick they are to respond and how eager they are to get the problem resolved for you is quite refreshing. I definitely recommend Kutavar again. One, their products are fantastic, but mainly for me was their aftercare service is brilliant. No job's too big or too small for them. It's a vital piece of kit that we can't do without.